Hello, welcome to this tutorial channel. Today we will see how to draw Dino Kid from 99 Nights in the Forest. I will start by drawing a straight horizontal line that will be part of the hat. Next, we draw 4 teeth on that straight line. Now we draw a straight horizontal line, leaving a space on both sides to join it with a curved line. Then inside the feet, we make another horizontal straight line. Okay, we finished drawing Dino Kid, and if you want, you can color him. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all the support you've given me. I send you my regards, leave me ideas for future videos in the comments, and I'll see you in the next drawing. Take care.